Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Papazon app not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open your control panel and make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the internet is slow or unstable, the app may not load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Now, close the app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of the screen and swipe away the Papazon app to close it completely. And then open it again. This refresh the app and can fix small glitches. If the app still isn't working, check for an app update. Go to the App Store on your phone and search for Papazon and see if an update is available. Using an outdated version of the app can cause problem. Now restart your iPhone, turn your phone off and back on. Helps clear temporary issue that may be affecting the app. If the app opens but does not let you order, check your order details. Make sure your delivery address, payment method, and the selected items are correct. Sometimes the app won't work if information is missing or invalid. Finally, if the app is still not working, the problem may be on Papazon server, especially during a busy time. In that case, wait a little and try again later, or place your order using Papazon's website instead. And that's it. These simple steps usually fix most issue when the Papazon app is not working on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.